Anyone who owns a 3D printer must watch this video. It teaches you how to convert visual-only colored models into fully printable colored models, ready for direct 3D printing. This will utilize the multi-color printing feature of Hi3D. You can choose to upload models in local mode or from assets, and click Generate. Wait a moment. You'll get a model with cleanly separated color regions. More importantly, you can adjust the color count. For example, the maximum number of colors supported here is 19. And you can also adjust to reduce the quantity. In addition, you can adjust the slider to reduce the level of detail. The fewer the details, the lower the available color count. Conversely, more details correspond to a higher color count. However, these are ideal color previews. You can enable filament simulation configurations directly. First, click to enter the print preferences settings. Then select your printer type and select the materials you use the most, including filament type. For example, my filament is PLA Basic, and these are the 4 available colors. At this point, you can also click to change it to the corresponding color based on the filament colors you have on hand. Meanwhile, you can also click here to enter the optimized color page. You can find brush settings down here, and you can also set new colors and use the eyedropper tool to sample matching colors. This allows you to add or adjust the colors of certain parts. If you paint the wrong area, you can erase it with the eraser tool. After finishing processing, click to open Smart Arrangement Settings. Then you can choose Surface First or Support Minimization. It will automatically match the corresponding printing parameters according to your printer type and package them into a 3MF print file. You only need to download it or send it to your slicing software to start printing directly. Finally, just wait for the printed finished product. No manual coloring is required throughout the process, so you can easily get a full-color physical model. Give it a try yourself.